Hello, so today we're going to make a auto swiper for Tinder in Python. So first you're going to have to pip install PyAuto GUI. So we're going to be using that to control the keyboard presses, but I've already got it installed, so I'll just import it. PyAuto GUI, import time, import web browser, so we can open a web browser. First we need the URL, so https:/tinder.com. So that's just the Tinder URL. We need the path for Chrome. So this one's for Windows, it'll be different on Macs and Linux. So you probably have to figure out what it is for Macs and Linux, but this one's for Windows. So we need webbrowser.get Chrome path.open URL. So that basically just opens the Tinder window. So we need a time.sleep 2 seconds just to give it a chance to load up. After it's loaded up, we'll have a PyAutoGUI.click button equals left. So when the window opens, it basically clicks on the window just to make sure it's on the right window when it's swiping through, and it's just not swiping through nothing. So now we'll just make a simple for loop, range 0 to 100. It's 100 because in Tinder you get 100 free likes every 12 hours, so you can change that to whatever number you got, whether you got the paid version or not. It doesn't matter too much. So once it's open, we're going to have to PyAutoGUI.press left or right, whichever way you want to swipe. I'm just going to do left for the example. I'm not going to actually like people. If x equals 100, break, print x. Just so we get to see what the loop's like. So that should work. I'm just going to pop these up. It popped up in the other window. There we go. It's swiping through automatically.